Pretty much all of us have some limiting beliefs that hold us back from things being as awesome as they could possibly be. And not only do we have these things holding us back and blocking us at an unconscious level, sometimes we take great pride in them and even feel righteous about them. It's like, no, it may be limiting my life, but darn it, you can't take it away from me. And a lot of us have those kind of beliefs around money. And so there's a part of us that would rather be righteous than rich. And if you are open to the possibility that you having more money would not only be good for you, but probably a lot of other people as well, let's see if we can shift this. So, taking full responsibility for your own well being, even though part of me would rather be righteous than rich, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though part of me would rather be righteous than rich, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though part of me would rather be righteous than rich, I'd rather fight the good fight against wealthy people than have wealth that I could do good with. Not because I'm bad or stupid, but because I've been taught to think this way. And even though part of me would rather be righteous than rich, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and maybe anyone else who might be involved, because I choose to be that free. This tendency to choose righteousness over riches, all this programming to choose righteousness over riches. Maybe it's a need to be poor but proud. Maybe it's a belief that people with money are awful, and I'd lose my righteousness if I became one of them. All this need to deprive myself financially in order to prove some point. Maybe I need to stick it to somebody. And part of me says the best way to do that is to have financial lack. My financial suffering will really teach them a lesson. And I don't need to judge myself for having thoughts or feelings like this. I don't need to be ashamed of choosing righteousness over riches, because that's what I was programmed to do. But do I have to hold on to it? I choose to be open to the possibility. I can do a lot of good with more money. I get to decide how much is right for me. but is limiting myself financially really doing me or anyone else any good? And even if I'm feeling righteous, am I really right? Part of me might be saying, yes, I am. And I choose to love and appreciate that part of me. It's just trying to keep me safe based on old programming, which might very well be based on misunderstandings. I'm opening myself up to other possibilities. And maybe I could even be righteously rich. I can keep my morals and ethics and still have money to do good things for myself and others. I'm setting myself free financially in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Hopefully, that might give you a little more freedom to look at things and see where you could do more good for yourself and others. Please and thank you. And when other stuff comes up that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.